Hello, Donnie Bentley here with Bentley Radon. I made a short video to show you how we cut through concrete without making a mess. Have a little collar and a core drill. We can actually come into the house, cut through tile, cut through anything we need to, and not make a mess. Enjoy this little short video that I made. Okay, here's the core drill we use to drill the holes. We've actually got a way to clean everything up, keep the mess cleaned up as we go. We drill, we use your shop vac. Okay, we set up the drill, get the position right. This is going in a finished basement area, it's the only place to put it. But this is how we do it. Got to feed the water to the system. Okay, now we let the noise begin because we're going to be turning the vacuum cleaner on. Okay, running a shop vac and a drill all at the same time gets a little noisy. The way this thing works is it has a diamond core drill bit, and we start drilling. You'll see Zach release everything. I'm going to turn this drill on and start actually cutting through the tile into the concrete. This takes a few minutes. I've speeded up part of the video so that it'll go on through, but I kind of go through the whole system. See the pump bottle over there to the side? We pump water, and the water goes down through the core drill on the inside, and as it runs, it pushes the dust and the trash that it's drilling out back into this collar. We use the collar to run the shop vac, and it sucks it all up as we go. This right here is where I'm actually speeding it up, but you can see how much depth he's gaining on this thing. Like I said, it takes about 5 minutes total to drill all the way through, depending on the concrete thickness, and some of it's harder than others. Some of the old concrete in the old house is a little softer, but this thing really does a good job. It gets us through, and if you'll watch here closely, you can tell just in a second, you can see where he punches through. He's going to add a little more water right here. But as he goes down, it gets deeper and deeper. This concrete's about 4 inches thick. And watch it right here in just a second. I don't remember exactly, but right here. Did you see how it went through and he felt it? So he's coming back up, turning everything off, shutting the water off to keep from flooding it. Just lock the system back up, kill the power, pull the drill away. It's really a pretty easy concept. Of course, setting up, knowing what you're doing, and having the right feel for it, it's a pretty big deal. But this system actually works real well. You see how clean it cuts the concrete, and he's dribbling a little bit of water, but that's just clean water. No concrete dust where a lot of people hammer and saw and beat and bang. We cut it real clean. And Zach, he's got this down to a pretty good science. And we just suck everything up into the shop vac, and it takes care of the, like I said, we don't make a mess. Get ready to take the core out. Sometimes they come out, but you can just drill a little hole in it and see how easy this works. And got a good clean hole. You can actually, he didn't even cut through the plastic. He's got such a good touch. But then we come back and cut the plastic, and then we suck out a pretty good little pocket because we want it to work good. And that's how we cut through concrete. And most of the time we set a fan on the outside, and this is the goal, is to create the suction.